In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. In them, select Connections and tap on More Connection Settings at the bottom. Following that, tap on Printing and Default Print Service. Now wait, your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to disable print service instead and install a different one, click on this switcher, go back and tap on Download Plugin. Now select Best Printing Service for you, download it and tap on the back button twice. Lastly, click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!